A vibrant student residence in the heart of Liverpool, Ablett House isn't your typical student accommodation. Offering an array of classic ensuites and studios, this charming property beckons with its cozy beds, ample study space, and private bathrooms in every room. But it's not just about where you lay your head, it's about the experience. Picture yourself studying with ease in the tranquil study room, bonding with friends over a game of pool in the lively games room, or soaking up the sun on the beautiful terrace. Plus, with perks like free Wi-Fi, round-the-clock CCTV, and attentive on-site staff, you'll feel right at home in no time. And let's not forget about location. The property is just a stone's throw away from the buzzing campuses of John Moores University and the University of Liverpool. With just a stone's throw from Liverpool One and surrounded by the city's trendiest clubs and eateries, from savoring comfort eats and cocktails at Brass Monkey to immersing yourself in Beatles nostalgia at Bar 4. And when hunger strikes, treat yourself to British cuisine at the Bastion restaurant. So, why wait? Head to amberstudent.com and make your dreams come true.